Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics problem and we're going to solve for the real values of x. From here, we know this 8 can be expressed in index power of 2 as 2 to the power of 3, and then we have a power of x. Plus 64 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 6, we have a power of x. Then divided by 16 is 2 to the power of 4, and then we have a power of x. Plus 32 is 2 to the power of 5, then we have a power of x. This is equal to 3 divided by 2. Then let us make use of this property. We know that a to the power of b to the power of c is same as a to the power of c, then to the power of b. Then this can be rewritten as 2 to the power of x cubed plus 2 to the power of x to the power of 6, then divided by 2 to the power of x to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of x to the power of 5, and then this is equal to 3 over 2. Let us make the following substitution. We're going to let 2 to the power of x equals y. Then we derive the following equations. Y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 6, then divided by y to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 5. This is equal to 3 over 2. Remember that x is not equal to 0. Also, y is not equal to 0. So we have some nice cancellations here. First of all, let us factor out y cubed from the up. We get 1 plus y cubed. Then divided by factor out y cubed from down. We get y cubed into brackets y plus y squared, right? And then this is equal to 3 over 2. So this will cancel this. Therefore, we cross multiply from here. 2 times 1 plus y cubed. That will give us 2 plus 2y cubed. So this will be equal to 3 times y plus y squared. That will give us 3y plus 3y squared. Okay, so from here we get 2y cubed minus 3y squared minus 3y plus 2. This is equal to 0. So from here we're going to regroup. We write 2y cubed plus 2, then minus 3y squared minus 3y. This is equal to 0. From here 2 is common. We factor out 2, we get y cubed plus 1 here we can write as 1 cubed. Minus here we factor out 3y, we get y plus 1. And this is equal to 0. Here we're going to use the sum of 2 cubes formula. A cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. From here we get 2, then into bracket this will be y plus 1 multiplied by y squared minus 1 times y, which is y, plus 1 squared, which is 1, minus 3y into bracket y plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Let us go back again to our substitution. Remember that if 2 to the power of x is equal to y, then y have to be greater than 0 for us to get the real value for x. Then from here factor out y plus 1. Then we have here 2 multiplied by everything here equals 2y squared minus 2y plus 2 times 1 here is 2. And then here we have minus 3y. Then this is equal to 0. So from here we know that this implies that either y plus 1 is equal to 0 or the bracket 2y squared minus 5y, right? Then plus 2 is equal to 0. From here, y is equal to negative 1. But remember that this should not be part of our solution. Remember that y has to be greater than 0. From here, we use the general quadratic formula. We get y is equal to negative b will be 5 plus or minus the square root of b squared is 25 minus 4ac. 25 minus 16, that will give us 9. Then divided by 2 times 2, right? That's 2a. So from here we get y is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 divided by 4, right? Okay, so from here now, we now have y is equal to 5 plus 3 divided by 4 or 5 minus 3 divided by 4. So here we get y is equal to 8 divided by 4 is 2, or 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 4, which is 1 over 2. Now let's recall back. 2 to the power of x is equal to y. Now when y is equal to 2, we get 2 to the power of x is equal to 2. And when y is equal to 1 over 2, we get 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 2. From here, this is a power of 1. The same base, we equate the powers. So here we get our first solution, x is equal to 1. And here we write 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 2 is same as 2 to the power of negative 1. The same base, we equate the powers. So this implies that x is equal to negative 1. So therefore, we have only two real solutions. X is equal to plus or minus 1. And this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.